Here is Soxl Semiconductors, which puts in big moves, long and short. This was nothing back in, 16, 17, nothing really going on. Starts to go up a little bit. COVID, 2144, dropped to 346. That was a great short. The run, 346 to 46. Look at these tags. You pull back, 27, 72. So if you waited on this, a year and change, year plus, $3 you buy it and change is 72, you're rich. Whatever you're putting in, you have plenty of money. Then you go back to short, Ukraine-Russian war happens, 72. You go to 6, across the bottom of a pattern, change of direction. You get out of that, go long, 28. Start to get short here because the red candle. You don't see, you want consecutive green, then you go down again. Get back in at this line, which would have been about 18, we'll say 20. This goes to 69 again. Okay. So right now you have the short COVID, long, tremendous short, tremendous long. You have a double top up here, right about 72, 70, see it? And now we're down again. Look at all these red candles in a row. You never see that. That's incredible. We're at 35.64 stochastics, 873. 29.77 money flow. So money's going down. The flow of money not going up. See right here when it was a low. That's when you get in. That pink, that is extremely low. Extreme fear. Everyone got out. Minus 150 CCI, very oversold. Now you have a line right here. 346 COVID. 2022 6. That will put it at 9. Let's say 369, about that range. So we're 8. You're a little below it now. We're just going to make a U-turn and just go right up next week and everything's good. No, this is going lower. Now, how low will this go? You come back to 3, COVID low, 5. 873 is extremely low, but I still say we're even going lower than that, which is incredible. But this is where you can make money on, too. If I wasn't such a fool in 2020, just kept long, this followed this one stock, went short, this ETF actually, went long, and then short again, I would be a millionaire. I'm not even joking. I would be a millionaire. I'm kicking myself. One ETF, this track, and the last 5 years. That's why patience in trading, swing trading, if you're patient, everyone else is out there, it's like panic. And you don't have to be panicking. You can make money on this. It's just a matter of how low will we go on this. We go on the 5, 3. I think we're going, it's hard to say, maybe around that 5 range, 6 range. We'll see before it bounce. So that's what I'm looking at here. So big tops, comes to support, and we'll just see if it goes below that support. If it goes below support, it's even better because that means it's so oversold. That's when you buy. And you can see the tops here too. When you have these tags and you went from 3 to 70, you went from 6 to 69. Look at the wick. That's a time that we're overbought. And I was saying that in the total market since last year. So we'll see what happens next week. This is, of course, the monthly chart. And we'll see what's going to happen. Is it going to be a total flush down and then we finally can start to build a base here and slowly go up? Or how's this going to play out? Next week will be interesting. Really big week in the market. All right, please follow me on Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube, Mike J Trades on X, Mike Heyman Trades, or else, man, Instagram, Threads, Rumble, you name it. Check it out.